Are you dumb? We will show you random maps and you need to guess which country it is. 1 point per right answer. You will get 10 seconds. Pause the video if you need more time. Guess the country by map. The right country is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is a tropical island country off the Indian subcontinent's southeast coast. Due to the climatic moderating effects of ocean winds, the climate is tropical and mild. Guess the country. This is a map of Canada. Do you know that Canada is the second largest country in the world by area? It has thousands of islands, the world's longest coastline, and more lakes and inland waters than any other country on Earth. Guess the country. This is a map of Iraq. It lies between two rivers, the rivers Euphrates and Tigris, which is the reason for very fertile land. Iraq also has a small coastline along the Persian Gulf, which was at the heart of petroleum trade. Guess the country. This is a map of Nepal. Did you know that 8 of the 10 tallest mountains in the world, including Mount Everest, are found in Nepal, which is a small landlocked nation in South Asia? Guess the country. This is a map of Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is a landlocked country in southern Africa. The country's extreme east is very mountainous, called the Eastern Highlands. Mount Nyangani has the highest point of the country. Guess the country. The right country is Austria. Austria is a small landlocked country that shares borders with 8 other Central European nations. Due to the Alps continuing into Austria from Switzerland, the Alpine region covers the majority of Austria in the central and western regions. Guess the country. The right country is Uruguay. Did you know that the highest point in Uruguay is the Cerro Cathedral, whose peak reaches to 514 meters, while the country also has a 660 kilometers of coastline? Guess the country. This is a map of Norway. Norway is a country in northern Europe's Scandinavian peninsula. Did you know that the magnificent Norwegian landscape was shaped by a massive glacier that blanketed the area during the previous ice age? Guess the country. This is a map of Senegal. Do you know that the majority of the Senegalese landscape consists of the gently sloping Sahelian sand plains, which ascend to foothills in the southeast? It is amazing, isn't it? Guess the country. The right country is Kenya. Did you know that Kenya is situated right along the equator on the eastern coast of the African continent? The country is part of the most famous safari region in the world.